Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can cancel your subscription with Pokemon TCG Pocket. In order to do so, first off, what we're looking for is up at the top right hand corner, you'll see this icon here. And if you click that, then you can see that right now we have the regular pass. But if you get the premium pass, then you can get a one-time 2-week no-cost trial. Once that's done, if you want to cancel your subscription, if you're on iOS, then you're going to need to go into your settings and find your subscriptions, and then you can cancel it from there. Or if you're on Android, then you can go to the Google Play Store and you can find your subscriptions through there and you can cancel it from there. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.